So anyways, Chad and I are heading to Crosby, right? Crosby to meet one of his former co-workers who is a flies stunt airplanes. We were really hoping to get good footage of him flying his airplane, but from our understanding is he needs to replace his engine, which sucks for us, but hopefully we'll still get some decent footage, and hopefully he'll have other airplanes to fly where at least we can maybe chase him down or something. I don't know. Are we going to his house or? Yeah. Anyways, enjoy the footage.
Look at the little puppy dogs. Look at the little puppies. Hello, little puppies. Hello. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at the cute little puppy dogs. Look at them cute little puppies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh,
Yeah. Got his cool planes here. Man, you got a bunch of stuff too, man.
This is
Brings back a lot of memories.
This is a quarter of what it used to look like.
Very cool.
I buy, sell, and trade this stuff, so I got rid of a bunch of stuff to make room for the lift.
It's funny how, you know, whenever I did it years ago, everything was gas, and I'm seeing electric motors on everything. It's just how the hobby has changed, man.
That white plane on the wall is brushless also.
That's crazy.
And I'll cover it.
It's crazy what they have now compared to what it was back in the day.
All three of those on the left are brushless. This, the one on the bottom's got a DA 70cc motor in it.
Yeah, everything we had was 2-stroke, 4-stroke,
Yeah.
like big engines, big stuff.
Yep, and there's my 100cc. I'm about to pull the motor off of it, the big white one, and put 120cc on it.
Is this an ME-109?
That is.
Is that a Corsair?
That's a Corsair up there. You did good.
What was your first plane?
The first plane that I owned was a Gentle Lady.
Mine was a PT-40, the little trainer. Yeah, that was such a great
Great
plane to learn on for sure.
And then my first powered plane was an Eaglet.
And then of course, you got to have the badass Fox body on there. So
That's my
obviously
son's.
that's how you know Chad is from doing that stuff. Or?
Well, no, we know Chad from working together, and then we just happen to have the same passion for Mustangs.
Yeah, Mr. Mustang over here.
Best cars in the world are Mustangs. So.
Well, that you'll hear him say that constantly at work.
Yeah.
I don't know why you wouldn't buy anything but a Ford.
Yeah, I mean that's just.
So after the wreck, we have hot glued his airplane back together. Looks like it's flying well, so we're gonna try this another time and hopefully we won't have a wreck. See if we get some good footage. hope that GoPro's still alive.
Yeah, it's gonna be. How you open this one?
Oh.
Get it? You got it? Yeah, okay.
And the GoPro is still recording.
Hell!
Hit the plane midair. Plane still flying.
That's awesome.
Lost a video signal to the quad. It went red as soon as I hit his airplane. Somehow the quad didn't make it, but as you can see, the airplane survived even through a muddy screen.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do a post mid-air wreck recording again. This is my spare quad with the now broken GoPro, so let's hope it stays together long enough. Let me get in position. It's still a little blurry.
It's a little blur.
So leaving Marshall's house, had some good flights. Unfortunately, I hit his airplane midair, and somehow he was able to recover, and the quad wasn't. The quad actually was under control, but I managed to lose my video feed, so it plummeted to the ground for, I guess, what, 200 foot maybe?
Something like that.
250-ish?
Yeah.
Either way,
Hit.
it was from really, really high and hit really, really hard. So in the process, the GoPro we're recording on right now, the rear LCD screen, which I do not like, by the way, is shattered. So we're gonna go to Best Buy and hope that they honor their return policy that they claimed they had if we were to bust this thing. So we'll see how that goes.